In the vast tapestry of the animal kingdom, certain creatures stand out for their remarkable skills, almost as if they've been bestowed with superpowers. These fearless beings demonstrate astonishing abilities that leave us in awe. Embark on your wildlife journey today by subscribing to Animal Hub. The grasshopper mouse, despite its small size, demonstrates remarkable resilience and hunting skills as it preys on scorpions and other insects. Witness its lightning-fast reflexes and fearless demeanor as it takes on larger adversaries with ease. Komodo dragons, known for their voracious appetite, are apex predators in their ecosystem. Witness their ruthless hunting tactics as they prey on buffalo calves and even deer, showcasing their dominance in their habitat. The shrike, a songbird with raptor-like features, exhibits cunning hunting tactics as it impales prey on spikes to assert dominance. Witness its predatory prowess as it hunts insects, birds, and small mammals with deadly precision. The killer whale, or orca, demonstrates unparalleled hunting prowess, taking down prey such as sharks and sea lions with calculated precision. These apex predators reign supreme in the ocean, commanding respect from all who share their domain. The black mamba, one of the deadliest snakes in the world, demonstrates lethal precision in its hunting techniques. From striking down rodents to battling other predators, this venomous serpent is a force to be reckoned with in its ecosystem. Hyenas, known for their ferocity, engage in fierce battles for dominance within their clans. From defending their young against predators to launching successful hunts, these creatures exhibit both ruthlessness and cunning in their pursuit of survival. The mongoose, known for its agility in killing snakes, engages in fierce battles with some of the deadliest serpents. In one encounter, a mongoose fearlessly takes on a king cobra, showcasing its immunity to the cobra's venom. The mongoose charges with confidence, skillfully avoiding bites and delivering a decisive blow to the cobra. Great white sharks, the apex predators of the ocean, exhibit unparalleled hunting skills as they prey on seals and other marine life. Witness their power and agility as they navigate the depths in search of their next meal. Hippos, with their immense size and powerful jaws, defend their territory against intruders. Witness a hippo's display of dominance as it confronts wild dogs invading its space. The hippo's formidable presence, complete with bared teeth, sends the wild dogs fleeing. A dramatic moment unfolds as a young impala, chased by wild dogs, finds itself in a precarious situation, ultimately becoming the target of a hippo's territorial aggression. Minks, agile predators of land and water, showcase their hunting prowess as they prey on rodents, birds, and even waterfowl. Witness their relentless pursuit of prey and cunning hunting techniques as they navigate their diverse habitats. Each of these fearless wild animals exhibits extraordinary skills and resilience in their quest for survival, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability of life in the animal kingdom. If you found our content enjoyable, we invite you to join the Animal Hub community by subscribing. This way, you'll never miss out on our latest releases and updates. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for being a part of our journey.